tank of gas in my E-Class Benz. I cop the S550 and threw the AMG in. Mashing up the block, they can't see through tents. Why my G-Wagon gotta be so dipped? All I ever wanted was a brand new Benz, so I could ride 4 deep, just me and my friends. I used to be flat broke, now I got ends. First thing I did was go buy me a Benz.
Look, I'm leaving, mashing this Benz all season. Body to beat.
Hey, what's up? Top of the morning. Today we gonna do them lowering links. Woo. Look at the frost, look how cold it is. Everyone know how cold it get around this time. Look, and this is wrap, but look how it gets so early in the morning. Ooh, the rose gold hue. Oh man. Oh man. You know the rose look darker off the lighter colors. You can see the rose better. You can see that color, but let's go ahead and start it up. Let's see just how cold it really is. Oh yeah, there it is. See, but this what we need to lower. We need this is because these cars can clear 24s and this is too high. So right now we here. Just about to wheel it in so we can get to it. Right now the 4Gs is off. Ooh. Look at all that brake dust built up. We just painted it. Do a couple coats of that because everything looks done, but then you get to right here, it just got that rusted look on it. So it's right now just waiting. I am going back. This is gonna be rose gold. And in here is gonna be rose gold to finish it off. And like someone said, the rose gold calipers. So we may end up doing that too. But yeah, it's just gonna complete that look because just got that rusted look. So when you paint it, it's not gonna look as bad. The links are located right there. Where you can see it's still off. That's the link. So the ghost links go in there and trick the computer into thinking the regular link's on, but the only difference is adjustable. So that's where it's at. So you want to take the tire, everything off slightly right in here. It's just right there. You just pop it off and put the other one on. So you seen the ride height earlier. So we're gonna see what it looks like when we get done. Same thing on this side. It's located right in there. And that's the link that tells the computer what it needs to do. We got it jacked up on the stands. It's almost ready to go, but when we do the back, we're gonna end up doing the front too because they recommend you do both. I mean, you can do one, but if you lower the back, then it's gonna like tilt the back and it may lift up the front just a little bit. So you want to put them on there just to get a front, you know, and it doesn't sit like that. The front already sit perfect, doesn't look like it need anything. But the reason why you do it is to offset that back piece. So it won't be too far down. See, here's the links that come with it. And here's the ghost.
All I ever wanted was a brand new Benz, so I could ride 4 deep, just me and my friends. I used to be flat broke, now I got ends. First thing I did was go buy me a Benz.
All I did was get a bite of the bag, now I'm swimming with the sharks. Take a look, it ain't a game, feed one and check the charts. Fit clean with the drip like faucets. Ain't a blue strip on 100, well you might as well toss it.
All right, so here it is out in the open. Here it is so everyone can see. Brought it into a pretty open spot. so everyone can see what I did. Okay, now here's the back clearance. So if you haven't seen what it looked like before, go watch my other video. So there it is now. So it's literally sitting, but look at all that space still. Like I can even put my hand under there, or I can get my hand right in there, see? And all that's clearance. All that's clearance space. So we end up doing both of them. So the clearance on this one too, if you look, put my hand right in there. Same thing, same length. It turned out perfect because sometimes the factory setting on them is already enough. Like it already sits good. So the factory setting is already good. So here's the look now, which I think is perfect. You just look at the look at the view. We do a whole walk around. So this is Ghost Links, you know, at Ghost Motorsports. I put the IG at the beginning. There it goes. There's the look. It's just sitting like perfectly. It made these back wheels just look that much more beefier. Like look at this angle. So it made the back wheels just come out just a little more. So you see same thing on the second side, or should I say on the other side. So same thing, same clearance space, as you can see right here. So it's the same space, but you know, with these cars, you know, they adapt to how the car, you know, how it sits. So I tried to get it on the flattest possible I can get it to give you that look. And there it goes right there. There's the stance. I'm in love with it. It looks better. No rubbing. It does not rub at all. It is perfectly, it's perfectly fine. So I want to say again, that's the Ghost Links. So if you're watching this late in the video, so the Ghost Links are available. You can go to their website, and I put the IG at the beginning. So it's just a cost effective, and you know, when we do it ourselves, it just made the car look that much better. So as I repeat, the ride quality is perfect. Just look at this angle, just from down here, just, that's just perfect. You know, sometimes you may gotta jack it up and do it over, just in case, because sometimes you may not get it to factory set how you want it. But they should have, you know, Porsche, Mercedes, BMW, your car on there, so it'll factory set with what you will start at. It's a C63 just pulled up. Looking mighty nice. So that's the look. It's no rub. Just look how that outer looks now on the back. You know, you never know, something so subtle could make, you know, could change the whole look. And if you can see, like I did earlier when I put my hand in there, you can see there's still some space, lots of space, but it's just sitting now. It's right on there. And so here's how the rear looks. Oh, look at those tires. That's just beefy. I don't know if the camera can really get that, but it is a 295 on the back. That's pretty wide. That's like Corvette, you know, like almost 305 status. So they are a 295, 25, 22. But look at that perfect range. Like how me and my bro said, you want this gap to be the same as this gap, you know, going all around. You know, came out real good. It's just sitting perfect. It's a perfect fit. Remember, Ghost Link. So anyone in the comments, I haven't did any other kind, I haven't did anything else, so I don't know any other links. Like if you want to go with a different brand or something else, I'm not sure of it, but we did it ourselves. If you take it somewhere, they may charge you, you know, $250 for the parts, and then maybe like you're looking at, I'm not sure on the price, but it might could be up there because you are essentially doing a mod to the car. So keep in mind though, when you lower it, remember it's barely just lower, it's barely lowered. But you know, the clearance, the front of these cars already sit low. So what you'll want to remember over any bump or anything you go over, you always want to make sure you hit this button to raise the car up. You always want to do that. So I hope everyone liked the look. It's lowered now, it's sitting perfectly. I couldn't ask it to sit any better. It's just perfect. Signing off, Benz man.